Beautiful family, in longest time no see. I know you guys must have been mixing on my setup, on my analysis. I'm sorry for that, guys. So, and the reason why I quickly want to run this V10 index setup was that one of my students have been buying. I just seen on his status buying V10 index, and I told him V10 is still going to sell because the position where it was yesterday is for it to sell. And I will show us all the conferences, all the signs that I saw that okay, this thing is going to sell. So I told him this is going to sell, that all I'm just waiting for it to sell. Though V10 is on generally on uptrend, but even in my group here, I gave a signal. We have been I gave a signal, okay, V10 is selling no matter what. So let's get to the screen. So rightly, this is weekly time frame, but all you can see here is weekly time frame. You can see that we have a low here, we have a higher higher bar, and we have what, a higher low. So what next we have is that we have a higher high. So right now price is already giving us that V10 is buying on a general trend. See now, so for me, I'm still expecting price to get down here, and that might even take some times. That can take some days, but I just know that V10 right now is selling, is giving a kind of correction. Let's even check our Elliott wave. No, we have our point A, point B, point C. Our point D is yet to complete its circle, which is getting close to around there. So this must still take, in fact, my run till next year, because all price is doing now is that to come here and come and bounce, because if you should go back and plot your trend line on weekly time frame, you see that V10 is currently sitting on a kind of support. Can you see that? Can you see the reason why price will always bounce where it gets to here or to this trend line? So price bounce how many times from this trend line? 1, 2, 3. So I'm still expecting price to come back here or here, bounce, come down again, bounce until it hits our T line, our support T line. Then when it hits that support line, that will be the time that I want to be looking for buy entries fully. So that is that on weekly time frame. So now let's go to daily time frame. The conferences I see on daily time frame was that, see, I can see that I plot a T line here, a resistance line, a support line, right? And there was, if you could go and check my past videos, there was a false breakout here. If you don't know about the false breakout, go and check the previous videos in my group. There's a different video for that. There's a false breakout here, and since I spot the false breakout, I have been giving my people that V10 was going to sell. I was just giving signals on V10 only since on Monday that I spotted that out. So I didn't stop selling. Can you see now? This was today, yesterday, a day before, like since on Sunday itself, that we analyze this on Sunday on our weekly every Sunday Zoom section. I was just saying that, guys, this thing is going to sell. No matter what you see, no matter the buy you see, this thing was going to sell. So that is the conflicts that I see on a daily time frame. And let's go to 4 hours time frame to see. And the conflicts my student saw on daily time frame is that he spotted something like AMD bar accumulation, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Right, we have the accumulation bar yesterday, but this wasn't a perfect AMD. I think this is a perfect AMD. We should have a kind of breakout here. So I think this is what he's just talking about. He was talking about this. That is why he was buying from this bottom here. He was focusing on this, and I told him that is not a perfect AMD. A perfect AMD should give you 1 2 3 1 2 down here too. So let's say this is a AMD. we have the accumulation, the manipulation, and now we are having the distribution. Is easy, it's so very easy. But for me, what gave me the the leverage to be looking for that sell was that I've checked weekly time frame, I've checked all I need to see. And also, can you see this 4 hour time frame? We have a, let's look at another another what is happening around there. What will I call this? The Elliott wave. One, we have our point A, our point B, our point C, our point D. Can you see? So we are having 2 point D, a point D on weekly time frame or daily time frame. We are also having a point D on 4 hours time frame. That is like 4 to 5 conferences now that this nigga was going to sell. So if you really want to learn more about this SB strategy, just enter the inner circle. The inner circle doesn't cost that much. It's only, every setup is up there, every setup and signal is up there. It only costs you $100 to get there, and you learn all you need to know. You learn all you need to know, all you need to know about forex, all you need to know to be a profitable trader. We have been holding this since yesterday, so we are yet to get to our TP1. I've set just only one, this one that is below here. We are yet to get to our TP1 bar, and if that should happen anytime, see now, what can you see again? Point A, point B, having point C, then we still sell to another point bar. So that's that, guys. Enjoy, and don't forget that every Sunday we do analyze all these things, all these sets, all these indexes. We analyze a thorough analysis. We have it on them, and weekly like this, Monday to Friday, we just eat. We don't do much of the analysis on or during the week. Only on weekends. I only like to analyze on weekend, because I know that is the time that a weekly time thing, a weekly candle starts, and all that. So guys, let's just continue to make on a V10 index, and enjoy guys, and don't forget to get into the inner circle, the HBT family. You will never remain the same if you have not been profitable before. I tell you, you will surely become profitable. I tell you. Enjoy guys. I see you on the next video. Bye for now.